Welcome to Kanwal Media 205. In this video, you will learn some new skills of MS Excel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make salary slip in Excel. First of all, change the page view. Go to View tab. Here you can see the option of page layout, click on it. Now our page become A4 size, and it becomes printable. Here you can write the title. In salary slip, on the top, write the name of company or institute. Here, I am writing Private Company Limited just for example. You can also change the writing style and set the size of font. Now, merge the columns of first row. Adjust the columns just like that. First column, then second, third and in the last the fourth one. To merge the columns, first select the columns, then, here you can see the option of merge. Click on it, the columns are merged. Now here you can type the address. Now merge the columns of second row. Here you can type the title of slip. I will make salary slip, so here, I will write salary slip. Now, I will change the writing style and bold it. You can also make a border line. In the Home tab, you can see the option of border. Here you select the border line. Select the bottom border line. Now, draw the bottom border line on the first row. You can also thicker the border line. Go to border option, then choose the line style. Here you select the line style. Thinner, thicker or thickest. Choose as you like. Write the details that are written on salary slip. In salary slip, mostly employee details are written. So, here, I am writing first employee ID. Now, write employee ID in first column, employee name in the second. In the next row, you will write designation and then month and year. Then write earnings, and deduction. After this, set the font size, and set the writing style, which is suitable. Bold it. Now, another thing which is written on salary slip is, basic, means what is basic salary. Then write, overtime, means, if anybody get a salary for 5 hours a day, but if they spend 3 or 4 hours extra, then the amount of overtime will come here. Conveyance, as there are some companies that pay for the transportation, that amount will write here. Extra income, if they have earned some extra commissions etc., then they will write here. Then write total addition. This is the earning source. Means the sources from which a person earned. Now, we come to deduction. That is, some things are deducted from the salary they earn, such as taxes, provisional funds, or if the loan is taken from the company, it is also deducted. First, we will draw a whole border around 2 rows on the top, in which we wrote employee name, employee ID, designation and month and year. In deduction column, we will write first provident fund, means, an investment fund contributed to by employees, employers, and, sometimes, the state, out of which a lump sum is provided to each employee on retirement. Then we will write, loan. If an employee, taking loan from the company. Then write tax. Some taxes almost deduct from the salary. So, these all are deducted from the salary. Here we write, total deduction of all these. Here, we will write the net salary. Means the actual salary, that will given to the employee after subtracting deduction amount from the total addition amount. Then bold it. Set the writing style. I prefer Times New Roman writing style. First write the basic amount. Basic amount is the amount which set during the appointment on job. Next, we will write overtime amount, if employee give extra time on job. Then write conveyance amount, if company give separate charges for transportation to employee. Then calculate all these addition and write the total. Now, write the amount of provident fund, an investment fund contributed to by employees, employers, and, sometimes, the state, out of which a lump sum is provided to each employee on retirement. Then write the amount of loan, if employee taking loan from the company. Then write the amount of tax which is deducted from the salary. Now, calculate all these deduction and write here. Then in the last we will write the net salary amount. The net salary amount is the actual salary which will given to the employee after subtracting deduction amount from the total addition amount. To calculate net salary, equals, bracket, column and row name in which total addition amount is written, then subtract sign, then write, column and row name in which total deduction amount is written, then bracket close. Press enter. Now, write, employee ID, designation. I will write here, supervisor, then. Write, employee name, then, here, you can write month and year. When you do Excel sheet in page layout, the header is showing on the top. You can also write the title here, if you want. I have been shifted my title to second row, because it is even better in terms of paper print. Here you can write company name, then company address, then title of slip, So, this is how you can make the salary slip. One more important thing is left in this salary slip, and that is, sign of employee and director signature. In the last, here you can make a place for employee signature, merge the two boxes, then write, employee signature, and dashes for blank. Now, merge other two boxes, for director signature. Then, write director signature, and dashes for blank space. Adjust the font style and size. Now, from here, select the whole sheet of salary slip. Then, choose, first white color, then, make a whole border, to look more appealing. When print this slip, this is done. So, this is how we can make salary slip on Excel. In coming videos, you will learn some new skills. Keep watching my channel Media 205, and learn a lot of skills. Like and share my videos with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notification my latest